bakit po hindi na-hold accountable kung sino mang ahensya yun pong nagkulang para maipatupad yung pagsaserve ng arrest warrant?
I-correct po natin to, ha. There was no failure on the part of the NBI agents. Hinarang sila.
But was it right for the NBI to succumb to the authority of the Senate na ilagay under, na ipahinto o ipahalt o isuspend yung pagsaserve ng arrest warrant while he is under protective custody?
The question is, was the Senate correct in interfering with the service of the warrant of arrest?
But was it right for the NBI to actually adhere to the demand of that demand of the Senate kung wala naman pong legal basis according to some analysts?
Dito makikita nyo kung sino ang may respeto sa isang institusyon at sino ang hindi rumispeto sa batas.